Hi, this is my video for Skill 1. So basically, the goal was to convert from degrees to radians and then convert from radians to degrees, and my chosen integer was 5. So the first thing I looked at was how I could convert from these degrees to radians. So what I thought of was I thought of a circle, and we know that in terms of radians, there are 2 pi radians in a circle, and there are 360 degrees in a circle as well. So therefore we know that 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. But once we uh, simplify that ratio, we can simplify it down to saying that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees, and therefore we can use that as a proportion in which we can convert. So here you can see that with my 5 degrees, I needed to convert to radians, and here you can see my work. I multiply by that ratio. So 5 times that pi over 180, which gets you 5 pi over 180. When that's simplified, you get pi over 36 radians. Now, then we do the same thing, almost, but with degrees in which we're converting from radians to degrees. So in the first place, we were multiplying by pi over 180. And here we're going to be multiplying by 180 over pi, which is the reciprocal. So you can see here, we go from radians to degrees by multiplying by 180 over pi. Ultimately, we simplify this down and we get 286.479 degrees versus pi over 36 radians. And these two are actually going to be not equal because this is 5 degrees going to radians and this is 5 radians going to degrees, and obviously these are in terms of different units, so it may seem the same because you have 5 and 5, but they're different labels, so obviously these are different. They're in terms of the other. So 5 degrees equals pi over 36 radians, whereas 5 radians equals 286.479 degrees.